Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you the easiest and fastest way to get a job in Canada and move down. If you're overseas, you want to move down to Canada as a worker, yeah? So in this video you're going to see the easiest, fastest way to get it done. And this is a way that people don't really think about that much. So I just thought I should make this video so you can know how to achieve this your dream faster, because a lot of people have showed interest in moving down to Canada for work, because I do one-on-one consultation with people, and these are one of the top questions that they ask me: how can they move down to Canada on a work visa? So this video is going to show you an easy and fast way to get it done. So if you like this kind of info, then do subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos like this, and like this video as well to show support, and also turn on the post notifications so you can always know every time I share a new video. Okay, so the way I want to show you in this video is through an international recruitment agency, right? So you can move down through an international recruitment agency. So basically what these agencies do is that they match candidates with employers, okay? So if you desire to work for a Canadian company or employer, these recruitment agencies can assist you to make this dream come true. International recruitment agencies are foreign based companies that help companies and employers fill vacant job positions with foreign talents from other countries. They search and hire qualified foreign workers who can create more value for their employers, whether you are already in Canada or overseas. International recruitment agencies can help you get a job. Also, they are helpful for foreign nationals in getting a positive labor market impact assessment, that is the LMIA, from a Canadian employer. Canadian employers are also assisted in applying for an LMIA for foreign nationals. So that is where these recruitment agencies come in. They just make the process easier and more seamless for the recruiter and also for the candidates. All right. So having a positive LMIA is one of the essential requirements for foreign nationals who want to work in Canada. As a foreign national, you will likely need assistance finding a job in Canada. Recruitment agencies in Canada also link immigrants with Canadian employers or establishments that are seeking for highly skilled workers to hire. Most Canadian employers frequently search for highly skilled immigrants to occupy specific job positions through recruitment agencies. So whether you're within Canada or outside Canada, using a recruitment agency is a good idea. So in this video, I want to show you this one. This is Hayes Recruitment. It's one of the top international recruitment agencies in the world, and they have locations in several countries. Like, this is a worldwide, a global recruitment agency. You can see all the countries that they have, offices. If you watch my videos on how to move to Australia, to the UK, to Ireland, Netherlands, you must have come across these recruitment agencies because I've talked about them in these different countries as well. So I want to talk about Hayes for Canada. All right. As one of the best international recruitment agencies in Canada, Hayes Recruitment Agency can get you hired by a Canadian employer for temporary work, contract jobs, or permanent jobs. Hayes Recruitment Agency was founded in 2001 with over 200 staff in 8 different offices. There are several reasons why you can consider Hayes Recruitment Agency as an ideal option. So this is how the website runs, right? So the URL is hayes.ca, and you can come here and search for a job title and the city where you're looking for this job, and you search and job ads will come up. Okay. And on this website, you can also check, your salary potential right here, so you can find out if you're earning below what you're worth, or just gives you an idea of what to negotiate when you're talking salary. Okay, so you can check here, to find your salary. And then there's also okay, let's see the areas this recruitment agency specializes in. So there's accounting and finance, banking and financial services, construction and property, human resources, legal, logistics, manufacturing, marketing and digital, office professionals, procurement and supply chain, resources and mining, sales and marketing, tax, technology. So if you're in any of these industries, then you can check out this recruitment agency. And they have jobs in different areas in Canada. They have in Toronto, in Ottawa, Montreal, Calgary, Vancouver, and Edmonton, right? So if you're looking for jobs in any of these areas in Canada, then this is your go-to recruitment agency. Okay, so this is really, really good. You can try this out. So I just want us to like look at any of the jobs that are available right now. So let's just go here and do find jobs, yeah, to see jobs that they have. So you can also come here and search by location. So as you can see, Toronto has 175 job ads right now. Vancouver has 91. Calgary has 83. Montreal 55. Edmonton 46. Ottawa 35. So you can search by location. And if you're open to all, just don't go into any specific location. You can just search through all the locations in Canada. All right, so these are some jobs they have open here. This is for management consultant, business development manager, administrative assistant, material handler, project manager, warehouse associate, senior project manager, electrical lead, master electrician, operations assistant, so many jobs. Okay, so let's try searching through industry, because you can also search through industry as well. So you can see here the different industries and the number of vacancies available at the moment. So right now, construction kind of has the most jobs available right now, followed by banking and financial services. And then we have others like business and agriculture and all. And then there's charities and not for profit. So there are a lot of jobs here you can search for, and you can just go search by location or you search by industry. So let's take a look at what's available for construction. All right. So here you have it. This is in Vancouver, and they do add the salary that is available. So now you need to note that not all the jobs advertised here are for internationals, right? Maybe not all. So you need to like search deep and also work with the recruitment agency. Their job is to match you with an employer, and they will do just that. So make sure you have the qualification, the work experience that is needed, to land the kind of job that you want in Canada. All right, so there you have it. Hayes Recruitment. You can check it out. And when you get to the website, you register with them, and then you upload your resume and do everything necessary to be in a position to land a good job in Canada. So let me know what you think about this in the comments, and give this video a like, share it with others as well so they can take advantage of this easier and faster way to land an LMIA job in Canada. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already so you can see more videos like this. I will see you in my next video.